Hello guys, in this video we will explain the solution to the problem of not showing the video or WhatsApp icon in the Facebook shortcuts bar. Also, if you do not see the marketplace icon or any other icon, we will explain how to show or hide these icons in the Facebook shortcuts bar in a very easy way. But before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to those who clicked on like for the video. Thank you to those who subscribe to the channel. Let's start the explanation, with God's blessing. The first thing we do is go to our Facebook account, then click on the Facebook shortcuts bar and press the icon here for a long time until this panel appears. After that, we click on the tab bar. Customize the tab bar. If you pressed for a long time on the Facebook shortcuts bar and this interface did not appear, it is okay. We exit. After that, we go to our Facebook account, then click on the profile icon. After that, we click on Settings and Privacy. Then we click on Settings. After that, we go down and search for the tabs bar. After that, we click and search for the video icon or any icon that does not appear to you and you want to show it. Then click on Install next to it, and it will be installed. Now we go back, and as you can see, we have retrieved the video icon and then it appears in the Facebook shortcuts bar. If you want to hide it, all you have to do is click on Hide Canada. Today's video topic. I hope you liked it and benefited from any advice, any inquiries, or any problems. Write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.